will see a session of chiropractic alignment. Catherine already had physiotherapy done because we usually involve and combine physiotherapy with chiropractic. So Catherine, go ahead and lay down. Face up, please. There you go. Perfect. Give me your hand to me. The noise that you hear when we do a chiropractic alignment is not your bones breaking. All it is air pockets releasing, allowing for the proper motion of the vertebrae on top of each other. Excellent. Turn on your side, face me, Catherine. Very good. Bend your top leg, open the bottom one. There we go. Awesome. Now, face up, please. Thank you. There we go. Good. Okay, Catherine, sit please. You can face that way. And give me your arms. Go back just a little bit. Now, Catherine, go face down for me. That's good. Okay. Arms down. Very nice. You moved very gently. None of the stuff that we do is painful, by the way. It looks like it might hurt, it doesn't. It feels wonderful. Breathe in and out. Very good. You did great. That's it.